Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Room in English.
Hi guys, good to see you here again.
We're here to help you practice real, everyday English, the kind you actually use in real life.
Exactly. We want you to feel comfortable speaking English in normal situations.
If you enjoy learning with us, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And you can also share it with a friend who wants to improve their English.
Today, we're going to talk about how to talk at the bank in English.
So if you feel nervous at the bank, this video is for you.
Okay, but first, let's do a little small talk.
Sure, I like that. Ava, how was your morning?
It was good. I woke up a bit late, so I had a quick breakfast.
What did you have?
Just toast and coffee. Nothing special.
What about you? I got up early and went for a short walk before breakfast.
Oh, really? That sounds nice. Was it cold outside?
A little, but the sun was out, so it felt okay.
Did you eat at home or outside?
At home. I made some scrambled eggs and orange juice.
Wow, that sounds better than my toast.
Yeah, but your coffee is probably stronger than mine. I make very weak coffee.
I understand. Some people like strong coffee, some people don't.
How's your week going so far?
Busy, but good. I had to go to the post office yesterday.
Oh, I went there last week. I waited in line for 20 minutes.
Same here. I hate long lines.
Me too. Okay, speaking of real-life places, should we start our topic now?
Yes, let's do it. Okay, now let's talk about the bank.
Right. A bank account is the place where your money lives in the bank. It means the bank holds your money safely for you.
For example, you can say, I want to open a bank account.
And when you open an account, it means you start a new account at the bank.
Okay, Ava, imagine you just moved to a new country and you need a bank account.
All right, I'll be the customer and you'll be the bank worker.
Great. Let's try a simple dialogue. Hello, I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Sure. Do you want a checking account or a savings account?
Wait, what's a checking account?
A checking account is the account you use for daily money. It's for paying bills, using your card, and taking out cash.
Okay, and what's a savings account?
A savings account is for money you want to keep and save. It usually gives you a little extra money called interest.
Interest means extra money the bank gives you because you keep your money there.
Exactly. For example, my savings account gives me a little interest every month.
Nice. So in our role play, I think I want a checking account.
Perfect. Let's start again.
Hello, I'd like to open a checking account, please.
Sure. Do you have an ID with you?
What does ID mean?
ID means identification. It's a document that shows who you are, like your passport or your ID card.
Got it. So I say, yes, I have my passport.
Great. Then I can say, thank you. I'll need your passport and your address.
Address means the place where you live, like your street and house number.
Right. Okay, let's keep going.
Here is my passport, and this is my address.
Thank you. Please fill out this form.
A form is a paper with questions you need to answer and write your information.
Yes, at the bank, you often need to fill out a form with your name, address, phone number, and signature.
Signature means your special way of writing your name.
Exactly. So I might say, please sign here at the bottom.
And I answer, sure, and I sign the paper.
Perfect. Now, another word you hear a lot at the bank is deposit.
Deposit means to put money into your bank account.
For example, I want to deposit $200 into my account.
And the opposite is withdraw.
Yes, withdraw means to take money out of your bank account.
For example, I need to withdraw some cash from my account.
By the way, cash means money in coins and bills, not on your card.
Right. So imagine I already have an account. Let's do another role play.
Okay, I'm the bank worker again.
Hi, I'd like to deposit $500 into my account, please.
Sure. Do you have your bank card with you?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Please fill out this deposit slip.
What's a deposit slip?
A deposit slip is a small form where you write how much money you want to put into your account.
Ah, okay. So I write my name, my account number, and the amount of money.
That's right. Then you give the slip and the money to the bank worker.
And they say, "Thank you, your deposit is complete."
Nice. Now let's do a withdraw situation.
Okay, same thing.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to withdraw $100 in cash, please.
No problem. Can I see your ID and your bank card?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN on the keypad.
PIN is your secret number for your card. You use it to prove that the card is yours.
Exactly. And keypad is the small keyboard where you press the numbers.
Right, so I type my PIN and then I wait.
Then I say, here is your cash. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
And I say, "No, that's all. Thank you very much."
See, that's already a simple and real conversation.
Yeah, and it's not that scary when you know the words.
Yes. Another very useful word at the bank is balance.
Balance means how much money you have in your account right now.
Yes. For example, I want to check my balance.
That means you want to see how much money is in your account.
Let's show that in the short dialogue.
Hi, I'd like to check my balance, please.
Sure. Do you want me to print it for you or just tell you?
Please just tell me.
You have $350 in your account.
Great, thank you.
You might also hear the word fee at the bank.
A fee is a small amount of money you pay for a service.
For example, this account has a monthly fee of $5.
Or there is a fee if you use another bank's ATM.
Oh yeah, ATM is another important word.
ATM is the machine where you can get cash or check your balance with your card.
Exactly. For example, I'm going to the ATM to withdraw some cash.
And many people don't want to pay extra fees at the ATM.
Same here. I always try to use my own bank's ATM.
Now, maybe some people want to say they want to transfer money.
Right. Transfer means to move money from one account to another account.
For example, I want to transfer $200 from my savings account to my checking account.
Let's put that in a role play too.
Hi, I'd like to transfer some money between my accounts.
Okay. How much would you like to transfer?
$200, please.
No problem. From which account to which account?
From my savings to my checking account.
All right, the transfer is complete.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
This is exactly the kind of simple language you can use in a real bank.
Yes, short sentences, polite words, and clear requests.
One more useful phrase is set up an appointment.
Good one. To set up an appointment means to arrange a time to meet someone at the bank.
For example, I'd like to set up an appointment to talk about a loan.
And a loan is money the bank gives you that you must pay back later.
Right, like a car loan or a home loan.
But loans can be more complex, so we can talk more about them later.
Yeah, step by step, no need to stress.
The most important thing is that you can ask simple questions and understand the basic words.
Exactly. When you don't understand something, just say, "Sorry, what does that mean?" Or, "Can you explain that, please?"
Most bank workers are happy to explain.
Yeah, last week I went to the bank and the woman was super kind.
What happened?
I was confused about a small fee on my account.
Oh, I hate surprise fees.
Me too. I asked, "Sorry, what is this fee for?"
Good question.
She said it was a maintenance fee.
Right. A maintenance fee is money you pay to keep the account open.
She explained it very slowly, and then I understood.
That's great. So it shows you can always ask questions.
Exactly. And I think polite phrases are very important at the bank.
Yes. For example, I'd like to is super useful.
You can say, "I'd like to open an account," or "I'd like to speak with someone about my balance."
Another good phrase is, could you please?
For example, "Could you please print my statement?"
Ooh, that's a good word, statement.
Yeah, a statement is a paper or document that shows your money activity.
It shows things like deposits, withdrawals, and your balance each month.
For example, "I need a bank statement for my rent application."
Or, could you email my statement, please?
Exactly. Nowadays, many banks send statements by email.
Speaking of email, we should talk about online banking.
Yes, that's important. Online banking means using the internet to manage your bank account.
For example, you can check your balance, pay bills, or transfer money online.
Many banks also have a mobile app.
A mobile app is a program on your phone that helps you do banking.
For example, I use my bank's mobile app to check my account every day.
Me too. I almost never go to the bank branch now.
Branch is another good word. A branch is one physical office of a bank in a city or town.
Right, you might say, I'm going to the bank branch on Main Street.
Or that branch is closed on Sunday.
So, Ava, do you prefer online banking or going to the branch?
I prefer online banking for simple things, like checking my balance.
Same here, but for big things, like a loan, I like to go in person.
Yeah, it feels more serious.
Let's do a short role play with online banking.
Okay, I'm the customer again.
And I'm the bank worker.
Hi, I'm having trouble logging into my online banking.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Logging in means entering your name and password to enter your account.
Yes, and I forgot my password.
No problem. I can help you reset it.
Reset means change it to a new password.
Right. I might say, I'll send a reset links to your email. And I say, thank you, I'll check my email.
Simple, polite, and clear.
Okay, there's another situation that is super important.
Losing your card?
Yes, when you lose your card, you really need English.
True. Let's teach some phrases for that.
First, I lost my card. Very simple.
You can say, I lost my debit card, or I lost my credit card.
Debit card means the card that takes money directly from your bank account.
And credit card means a card that lets you use the bank's money now and pay later.
Good explanation. Let's do a role play on the phone.
Okay, I'll be the bank worker on the phone.
Hello, I lost my debit card and I'm really worried.
I understand. I'm going to block your card now.
Block means stop the card so nobody can use it.
Right. Then I might say, can you confirm your name and address?
Confirm means check that something is correct.
Exactly. I want to be sure I'm talking to the real owner.
So I say, my name is Ava Green and my address is 12 Park Street.
Thank you. Your card is now blocked. We'll send you a new card in the mail.
In the mail means by post to your home.
Yes, and I can add, it will arrive in 5 to 7 business days.
Business days means Monday to Friday, not weekends or holidays.
Perfect. That's a very real situation.
Yeah, and if you're in a foreign country, it's even more stressful.
Oh, speaking of that, we should talk about exchanging money.
Right. Exchanging money means changing one currency into another currency.
Currency is the type of money a country uses, like dollars, euros, or yen.
For example, I want to exchange euros for dollars.
At the bank, you might hear exchange rate.
The exchange rate is how much one currency is worth compared to another currency.
For example, what is the exchange rate today for dollars to euros?
Let's do a small dialogue at the bank for exchanging money.
Sure, let's go.
Hi, I'd like to exchange some money, please.
Of course. Which currency do you have?
I have euros and I want dollars.
No problem. The exchange rate today is €1 for $1.05.
Okay, sounds good. I'd like to exchange 200 euros.
All right, you will get $210 in cash.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please.
Good word there, receipt.
Right. A receipt is a small paper that shows what you paid or received.
For example, keep your receipt in case there is a problem later.
I always keep my receipts when I change money.
Same here. Better to be safe.
Another important idea at the bank is minimum balance.
Yes, minimum balance means the smallest amount of money you must keep in your account.
For example, This account has a minimum balance of $100.
If you go under that amount, you might pay a fee.
Right. And the bank worker might say, try to keep your balance above the minimum balance.
It can sound a bit confusing, but the idea is simple. Just remember, minimum balance is the lowest level your money should stay at.
Also, some accounts have no minimum balance, which is nice.
Yes, that's often good for students or people who are just starting. Ava, have you ever had a problem with your card limit?
Actually, yes. One time my card was declined.
Declined means the bank does not allow the payment.
Exactly. I tried to pay for something, but the machine said, card declined.
That can feel really embarrassing.
It was. Later, I went to the bank and asked why.
What did they say?
They said I reached my daily limit.
Daily limit means the maximum amount you can spend or withdraw in one day.
For example, my daily limit at the ATM is $400.
So the bank worker helped you, right?
Yes, she explained it clearly and then increased my limit a little.
That's a useful word, too. Increase means make something bigger.
And decrease means make something smaller.
For example, can you increase my card limit? Or can you decrease my card limit?
When you ask, it's always good to be polite.
Yes, start with, could you please, or would it be possible to?
Like, could you please increase my daily limit?
Or, would it be possible to remove this fee?
Sometimes they say yes, sometimes they say no.
True, but it's always okay to ask.
I think one big secret for talking at the bank is staying calm.
I agree. Speak slowly, repeat your request if needed, and ask for help.
You don't need perfect grammar, you just need to be clear.
Short sentences are your friend.
For example, I want to open an account. I want to close my account.
Oh yes, close an account is also useful.
Close an account means stop your account at the bank.
For example, I'm going to close my old account and open a new one.
Maybe you move to a new city or you find a better bank.
Exactly. Life changes, and your bank can change too.
The more you practice these sentences, the easier it gets.
And the next time you go to the bank, you'll feel more confident.
And confidence comes from hearing the same type of phrases many times.
Exactly. That is why we repeat real situations in simple English.
Let's do one more full situation, step by step.
Good idea. What kind of situation?
Maybe opening an account, getting a card, and asking one question.
Perfect. I will be the bank worker again.
And I will be the customer, a little nervous but friendly.
All right, let's start.
Hello, I'd like to open a checking account, please.
Of course. Do you have your ID and proof of address?
Proof of address. What is that?
Proof of address is a document that shows where you live, like an electricity bill or a letter from your landlord.
Ah, okay. Yes, I have a bill from my electricity company.
Great, that works. Please fill out this form with your name, address, and phone number.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Do you also want a debit card with this account?
Yes, please. I need a debit card to pay in shops and online.
No problem. Your debit card will arrive in the mail in a few days.
Okay, thank you. Will there be any monthly fee for this account?
There is a small monthly fee of $3, but there is no minimum balance.
No minimum balance? That is good for me.
And you will also have access to online banking and our mobile app.
Great. Can I check my balance with the app?
Yes, you can check your balance, see your statement, and make transfers with the app.
Perfect. That makes things much easier.
Your account is now open. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yes, I have one more question. How can I change my PIN if I want to?
You can change your PIN at any of our ATMs. Just follow the instructions on the screen.
Okay, thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
That felt like a real bank visit.
Yes, and the language was not very complicated.
And if something is too fast in real life, you can always say, "Sorry, can you say that again, please?"
Or, could you speak a little more slowly, please?
Most people will be happy to help if you ask politely.
One last small thing I want to add is about appointments.
Right, for big questions like loans or mortgages.
Yes, a mortgage is a special loan to buy a house or apartment.
It is usually a big loan you pay back over many years.
For something big like that, you usually set up an appointment.
So you can say, "I'd like to set up an appointment to talk about a home loan."
Or, when is the next available appointment with an advisor?
Advisor is the bank worker who gives you advice about money and loans.
Exactly. You do not need this every day, but it is good to know the words.
For daily life, I think the most important things are opening an account, using your card, checking your balance, and maybe exchanging money.
I agree. If you can do those things in English, you are in a really good place.
And you can always keep learning new words later.
Now let's do a quick vocabulary review together.
Yes, we talked about a lot of useful words. Let's make them clear and simple.
Okay, I'll start and you can add an example.
Deal.
First word, checking account. A checking account is the bank account you use for daily money, like paying bills and using your card.
I use my checking account to pay for my rent and groceries. Repeat, checking account.
Next, savings account. A savings account is the bank account where you keep money you want to save, usually for a long time.
I keep extra money in my savings account for emergencies. Repeat, savings account.
Third word, deposit. To deposit means to put money into your bank account.
I'm going to deposit my salary into my account today. Repeat, deposit.
Fourth word, withdraw. To withdraw means to take money out of your bank account.
I need to withdraw $50 from the ATM. Repeat, withdraw.
Fifth word, balance. Your balance is how much money you have in your account right now.
I checked my balance, and I have $300. Repeat, balance.
Sixth word, fee. A fee is extra money you pay for a service, like a monthly bank fee or an ATM fee.
There is a small fee if you use another bank's ATM. Repeat, fee.
Seventh word, ATM. An ATM is the machine where you can get cash, check your balance, or sometimes deposit money with your card.
I stopped at the ATM to get some cash before dinner. Repeat, ATM.
Eighth word, exchange rate. The exchange rate is how much one currency is worth compared to another currency.
I asked the bank about the exchange rate for euros to dollars. Repeat, exchange rate.
Ninth word, receipt. A receipt is the small paper or document that shows what you paid or received.
Please keep your receipt in case there is a problem later. Repeat, receipt.
And one more, daily limit. A daily limit is the maximum amount of money you can spend or withdraw in one day with your card.
My daily limit at the ATM is $400. Repeat, daily limit.
Great. Take a deep breath and just let these words sit in your mind.
You don't need to remember every single one perfectly right now.
You can always come back, listen again, and practice slowly.
Now, we have a question of the day for you.
Yes, we want you to write in the comments.
The question of the day is, what do you usually do at the bank in your country?
You can answer with something simple like, I go to the bank to withdraw cash.
Or, I use the bank to pay my bills.
Or, I only use online banking. I never visit the branch.
You can copy these ideas if you want. That's okay.
Don't be shy. You can do it.
We read every comment, and we're really happy when you practice your English with us.
Your comment might also help another learner feel more confident.
All right, it's time to say goodbye for today.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us at Talk Room in English.
Remember, every time you listen and speak, your English gets a little better.
You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going.
If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.
And share it with a friend who is scared to speak English at the bank.
You're doing great. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking.
Thanks again for watching and learning with us.
See you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.